On today's episode of Ann's Creative Studio, Ann's going to show us a quick and easy way to bling our jeans.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my studio. Today I want to share a fun project with you from Rhinestone Genie. I do have a couple templates with Rhinestone Genie that you can use on fabric and paper. For instance, I used my 1-inch squares on this pillow and it's just stunning and it goes through the wash. Another project that I did recently was just this simple card and just added that touch of bling. It just does so much to it. But today I want to use a template that is actually from Rhinestone Genie. And it is to decorate the pockets on your jeans or your shorts. And it's summertime, and why not buy an inexpensive pair of shorts and bling them up yourself, and you can really add to the price or to the value of them. So today I'm going to show you how to do the second pocket on this pair of jeans or pair of shorts. What you need is a steel cookie sheet, and you need the template. So on here I did the template this way, so I'm going to do it the opposite way for the other pocket. And these are magnetic, so they stick to the steel cookie sheet. So you need that, and then you need the 3mm iron-on rhinestones and this brush. And you just pour them all over the template and you just rub. And as you rub this brush across the template, these little rhinestones magically, it seems, go in the upright position. These ones are all upright, but if for some reason they weren't, you could just make a second pass and go over it a little bit slower that time. So you want to move all of the excess rhinestones out of the way. And then you take some heat fix or hot fix tape and you take the sticky side and place it right onto your template. Just commit to it. Don't start putting it down and picking it up, because if you do that, then you might get some rhinestones and not the others. And then I like to take the brush and burnish it so that I get all the rhinestones picked up on the tape. You don't have to use the brush. You can use your fingers also. But I like to start in one corner to peel the tape up and come back slowly and make sure I have all the rhinestones, because if you didn't, you could stick it back down and get the rest of those rhinestones. Like I didn't get that one right there, so I can stick this down. Actually, I guess maybe I had 2 rhinestones there. But then you have this transferred. And it's such an easy process. Like I already have this one done, so I'm going to put this one on this side, and I'm just going to line it up where I want it and put it in place. And then you're going to take a hot iron and you're going to press for about 20 to 40 seconds in each spot, depending upon the fabric you have. If you're using paper for a card, you won't do it as long. But when you're doing a thick fabric, You want to hold it for that 20 or 40 seconds. And then you would just pick it up and move it until you have the other thing covered. We'll be right back as soon as I have this all done. Now after you have ironed 20 to 40 seconds in each part of the pocket, you will simply take and peel the tape up. Start at one corner and peel back slowly. If something didn't stick to the item you are applying it to, you can easily stick it back down and reheat it. But there you have it. That's how quick and easy it is to create a custom pair of shorts for summer using the Rhinestone Genie. Until next time, have fun and be creative.
We hope you enjoyed this episode of Ann's Creative Studio. Please follow us on social media. And remember, as we always say, when creativity knocks, open the door.